Cascable versus Capture One photo tethering tools. Choosing the right photo tethering tool can transform your workflow and image quality without complex setups. Cascable offers wireless convenience, while Capture One delivers professional-grade tethering and editing. Cascable and Capture One are two popular photo tethering tools, each with a unique approach. Cascable focuses on wireless connectivity and mobile device integration, while Capture One combines tethering with advanced raw editing and professional studio workflow features. Cascable is a wireless photo tethering app designed to connect your camera directly to mobile devices like iPhones and iPads. It works by linking compatible cameras over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, enabling remote control, live view, and instant image transfer without cables. Cascable's strengths lie in its portability and ease of use, making it ideal for photographers who prefer a flexible, cable-free setup on location or in smaller studios. It supports many camera brands and offers a user-friendly interface for quick adjustments and shooting. However, Cascable's tethering capabilities are less comprehensive than dedicated desktop software. It lacks advanced raw editing tools and deep workflow integration. This makes it best suited for photographers who prioritize mobility and fast sharing over in-depth post-processing. Overall, Cascable is perfect for casual to semi-professional photographers looking for wireless tethering that works seamlessly with mobile devices. Capture One is a professional photo editing and tethering software widely used in studios worldwide. It connects cameras to desktop computers via USB for real-time image transfer and control. Capture One excels with its powerful raw editing tools, color grading, and customizable workspace, allowing photographers to manage large shoots efficiently. Its tethering features include instant image previews, camera settings control, and automatic file organization. The software supports a broad range of camera models and offers advanced tools like focus masking and exposure warnings. While Capture One requires a desktop or laptop and a wired connection, it delivers unmatched image quality and workflow speed, especially for commercial shoots and high-volume sessions. Its complexity and cost may be overkill for casual users, but for professionals demanding precise control and high-end editing in one package, Capture One is the industry standard. Comparing Cascable and Capture One highlights key trade-offs. Cascable's wireless tethering is perfect for photographers needing mobility and quick sharing on mobile devices, but it lacks advanced editing and requires compatible cameras with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Capture One, on the other hand, demands a wired connection and a powerful computer, but offers professional-grade tethering combined with industry-leading raw editing. For studio photographers managing large volumes or demanding precision color work, Capture One streamlines the entire workflow. Meanwhile, Cascable suits outdoor shoots or casual sessions where flexibility and ease of setup matter more than complex editing. Choosing between them depends on your shooting environment and post-processing needs. Choose Cascable if you want wireless tethering with mobile control and quick image sharing, ideal for on-location shoots and photographers valuing convenience. Capture One is the best choice for professional studios needing robust tethering and powerful raw editing in one tool. It enhances workflow efficiency and image quality, making it essential for commercial photographers who demand precision and control from capture to final edit.